Do resource management practices fit into Agile project management? Of course, and I am here to tell you why. In this video, we will dive into how to incorporate resource management into your Agile approach. I'm Samantha Varner, Director of Customer Success with Tempus Resource, a resource management solution designed for Agile teams all over the world. Let's revisit resource management for a second. Resource management is the practice of understanding the hourly or FTE demands to get your work completed and the capacity of your people. Good resource management shows you when your people are at the risk of being overutilized and therefore when your projects are at the risk of being delivered. Agile project management breaks your portfolio into release trains, epics, and sprints. When you add in resource management, you get to see when your portfolio is at risk of being delivered. Not only is resource management helpful during your initial planning meetings, but also when that new work comes in. And let's be honest, there is always new work that comes in mid-plan. When new work comes up, how do you know if one, you can take the work on during the proposed timeline, and two, what needs to slip if you do take it on? Resource management and capacity planning is that answer. To learn more about resource management and how it can fit into your Agile team, visit prosymmetry.com today.